Okay, how's it going, everybody? It's not PewDiePie. No, it's Travis and Heather once again.
Howdy.
I probably see by the little description down there, the title, doing something a little different, and usually different is good, typically. So, what we're doing today is we're going to be eating some hot stuff. Now, you probably have seen me try the Carolina Reaper ass sauce. The ass kicking Carolina Reaper sauce.
It goes right out your ass.
Yeah. And that went well.
And this hot challenge is kind of interesting because I could barely handle anything hotter than a jalapeno. So, yeah.
We've got quite a few things. We're going to probably... The best thing to do is to start from what would be the least to the extreme.
Yes.
So, all right. So,
show the first thing that we got.
First thing we got... lots of good things. We need to find the first good thing. I don't know how good it is.
Should be in there.
Should be in here, yeah.
There it is.
Ah, it's only at the very bottom. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Sweet Heat Skittles.
Taste that rainbow.
So, I bumped the microphone. So sorry. It's got, let's see, the flavors. You got lemon spark, flamin' orange, fiery watermelon, blazing mango, and sizzling strawberry.
Sounds interesting.
Yeah, and you just gotta... The ladies love it.
No, we've never tried these. I'm not gonna lie.
No. I think the best thing is just take a few and pop them in, see what happens. Watch the microphone again.
Alright, I grabbed about 10 or so.
That's pretty close to what I got. So
alright. I'm not gonna throw them all in my mouth at once.
I know, but I'm gonna because I'm a rebel that way. So a 1, a 2, a 3. Oh, shake it. Shake it.
I'm not tasting anything not even close to being as a red hot. And I love the red hots or atomic fireballs, and these are...
Oh. A little bit of something. Felt in my throat. Keep it going, though. Now, just in case things get a little too extreme, we got milk on standby.
I mean, I'm feeling a little bit of that cinnamon heat going down my throat, but like I said, I love those little red hots that you get around, or the cinnamon bears. Those are still hotter than this.
And the cat agrees. And now I'm really feeling it.
Well, I'm feeling some. It's getting a little stronger. Right there.
Yeah.
It's like eating something from Buffalo Wild Wings. Well, you get the mild stuff from me. It leaves a little bit of a... Oh, going for the milk already?
Just a little sip. Just help wash it down. It's not that bad. It's all right. Not too bad.
Well, the aftertaste, though, I'm not buying those again. Oh.
They taste okay, but it's just...
It has, like...
a little bit some warmth to it, but it's not enough to say, ooh, I want some more.
I'm not buying them anymore.
All right. Next up, limited edition, limited time only. This is popular in Japan. It finally makes its way here in the United States. Wasabi Doritos. I've been really wanting to try these ever since I saw them, because Japan gets all these awesome flavors that we don't get over here.
One of these days, we're going to buy some, the chips and stuff that they have from Japan and do a tasting.
I mean, and I get that their flavors are based on their culture, which is fine, but I gotta admit, a lot of their flavors look really damn good. So, and, smell like regular Doritos.
Smells like guacamole Doritos.
Yeah, so,
well, Doritos don't make it, but no, Walmart off-brand, but guacamole rolls.
Yeah. You gonna take a chip? And I'm gonna take one. And just like Rhett and Link, dink it, sink it. A nice toasted flavor. Okay, there we go.
So, I'll eat the whole bag. Well, not at one sitting. Bag of chips for me will last like close to almost 2 weeks.
I'm gonna go for another one. These are actually pretty good.
They are good. Definitely like these. Bring on the wasabi.
That's pretty damn decent.
But I like it. It's like, to me, it's like the spicy guacamole chips.
Yeah, well,
I love those.
I mean, I know wasabi is like a form of it's a
Like
Japanese
a horseradish.
Yeah, Japanese horseradish.
Now I want to go buy that can of the little wasabi peas.
Hey, there we go.
That sounds good.
We can't do anything with them with animals around. All right, I'm gonna put these down here. Those were pretty.
Those will be lucky if they see tomorrow.
Well,
right.
these were introduced. You first saw these they're introduced during the Super Bowl with Jesus, that guy from Game of Thrones.
There's a lot of them.
Oh, the short guy.
Oh, Peter Dinklage?
Thank you.
Has that awesome voice. I mean, read me a bedtime story, baby.
Smooth, buttery voice. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
I'm impressed.
And see, I like guys with nice deep voices. So Peter, better watch out.
Hello.
Anyway,
But
like I said, he's a cutie and got that voice.
And I did not know that he was actually from New York. I never knew that.
He thought he was English. I was like, no,
Convinced
honey.
me. Listen to how he does that accent.
But I've seen some of the other stuff he done. You know, especially the X-Men one.
Yeah. But anyways, point being, guys, Doritos Blaze.
I think they can see it.
Yeah. Well, we gotta show it to the camera, and I'll try to get something to focus on. I'm worried just a little bit.
I'm not worried about this bag. I'm worried about the next bag.
Yeah.
Because we have this one and one more, and I'm worried about the second one.
Ooh.
You smell?
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Smoky.
Very
Sweet.
smoky.
A little spice in there. All right, I'm going to cleanse my palate with the milk before I dive in.
Yeah, I'll join you.
Just a little palate cleanser. So I'll be unbiased. All right.
Let's show it to the... Yeah, that looks...
Look how...
That looks really warm.
Alrighty.
Dink it. Oh, sink it. Mmm. All that fuss over... Oh, whoa, okay.
Yeah, I know. Oh. I'm a pussy.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
I'm a pussy. Nope. Oh. Burning even after you drink the milk. Oh.
Ooh. Oh.
Oh, I just dipped my tongue. That's one way to cool down.
I can't take her anymore.
Here, kitty.
Whoa, holy fuck. Oh my god. Go fucking get the ice cream. We're gonna need it.
I didn't get vanilla. We have chocolate.
Ooh.
All right.
Chocolate will still work.
Okay.
Oh boy.
That is still on my tongue. Just a little bit. A little bit. Ah! Ah!
Wow! Holy shit!
Oh god, now I'm really scared for the next bag. Well, I failed the Blaze challenge.
Oh my fucking god!
You know what?
Excuse my language. Now I'm nervous. I'm really fucking nervous. I've been over this hill with that ass reaping sauce. Or I mean, not the Carolina Reaper sauce.
It reaped your ass.
We're in trouble.
And I bought him that ass with ripping sauce, you know. The Carolina Reaper, I'm the one who bought it for him in the first place.
Now keep in mind, that was at 2 million Scoville units. This is a step below it. But it's still not going to be
God,
good.
okay.
Ladies and gentlemen.
We bought this actually a long time ago, and I've been being in such a wuss on doing this challenge with him that I'm scared. Okay? Show him. We got this at the health boost part of our grocery store, and I'm
In Clinton, Iowa, was at High V. Great store, by the way. Love their chain of stores.
Oh, their fruit and veggies are gorgeous, but this, I'm scared.
That's 1,000,000 Scoville units, guys, and we got the rest of the gallon of milk sitting right here because I'm afraid we're going to need it. In fact, let's top it off right now because we...
All right, give me your cup.
Oh my gosh, this is going to be... It's going to be awesome. It's going to taste great. It's going to make me want to come back for more. And we keep...
Why are you fucking lying like that?
Because I'm trying to get psych myself up to do it, just to get it done. And I know it's going to be hell on earth in my mouth. First we have to do is...
It's going to make the Blaze chips look like, Cheetos. All right, okay, I'm scared.
Well, smell. You can't really smell it.
No.
It smells like a regular tortilla chip.
It smells like tortilla. You don't smell nothing.
Oh my god.
All right. Come on. There's not a whole lot of written on there, as you can see. Unless saying you're fucked or anything. Nothing like that.
But can you imagine if this was the Carolina Reaper tortilla chip? If you guys have seen that on the internet, they've actually, you get one chip inside of a coffin. And it's $5.
We haven't bought it yet or anything, but one of these days we will.
You can send it. Just look in the description down below. I got a mailing address.
If you ever want us to do a challenge, buy the stuff and let's see what you want us to do. All right, I'm scared.
I'll even try decades old Billy beer.
All right,
honey, I love you.
Hey. Okay, 1, 2,
dink
3.
it.
Oh fuck.
Waiting for it.
Try to feel it.
Okay, here it comes.
Mm-hmm. On the tip of the tongue. Like it's flame shooting now. A little dry.
Surprisingly, it is hotter than the Blaze chips. Take a breath. Nope, going back. Oh.
You're such a dick. Making me do this.
And I'm a pussy.
He is
and
what he eats.
You are what you eat.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
No, fuck.
For someone here who is, can't barely do a jalapeno.
Oh.
Can I just cut my tongue off? Hey, I could tickle him. And for you got the cast iron tongue. What the fuck?
I'm getting old.
I am so energetic tickling you while you're doing that. Who says you have to put the blow bubbles with your milk?
I was something.
Hey, that last time I ended up pouring milk down my shirt.
I'm more coordinated.
No, you got smaller boobs.
Mommy, make it stop.
It's all psychological. Actually, that's a chemical defense for plants when they don't want to be eaten. Now you know why.
Forget Chinese water torture. Give these chips a...
Oh, those? Yeah, those win. It's a slow burn, and boy, is it still burn. I don't know which one's worse, the blaze or those, but I think they're both pretty much nasty in my book.
You're almost... This is the blaze chips. This is the ghost pepper chips. Right about there. Oh, God, I'm going to be sick.
Well, yeah, you need to drink a gallon of milk.
Ooh. Oh, that actually helps. Do that.
I know, that's what I was doing.
What I'm doing is I'm swishing my tongue in the milk, and it does seem to have...
Until you swallow, and then you're like, oh, fuck, need more. I'm a wuss, but good to know we were wusses together. My tongue is still on fire.
And my tongue is both cold and hot at the same time.
I feel like I'm breathing flames. Peppery. If I drink any more milk, I'm gonna be sick.
Oh, yeah.
We might just have to suffer it out.
I heard that it peaks after 6 minutes.
Now we know why dogs pant.
They're eating those damn chips. That's kind of tough.
I bet Miko would eat one. I have a crazy chihuahua. He loves my other friends I used to live with. Used to feed him jalapeno peppers, and the dog loves them. And one time we were eating a 5-pepper pizza, and he ran off with a slice. So, yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. But I'm not going to give them to him. I would never give him those. I could barely handle it.
All right, so... All right, the ones I like the most, I like the wasabi. Those chips are the
Wasabi
best.
was awesome. I would love the wasabi. Bring it on. Those are awesome.
The Skittles, novelty. I don't. It's just a novelty.
They don't taste that good.
Blaze chips, as advertised.
Yes, and the ghost pepper are the ones that's advertised as well. Yeah. If you do eat those chips, please have some milk on hand or vanilla ice cream.
Honey, that works too.
Do your research on what will actually kill the flames.
I do swear by the honey because when I did that try that sauce, I can't really talk now. The honey really helped. So yeah.
But yeah, that stuff is pretty strong.
Yeah. Now I gotta do the hard part. The outro. Alright guys, you know what to do. You see that red subscribe button down there? Turn it gray, hit the bell notification.
Gray like his hair,
Yeah, because, I think it's going to be even grayer after this. But anyways, definitely do that. Also, comment down below. Tell us how foolish I was for trying this. Don't blame Heather. This was my idea.
It was. It took me a long time to fess up to say, okay, let's do it.
Yeah. And, just do everything else, guys. I need something else. So, talk to you guys later, okay? Bye.